The Google Pixel 11 Pro leak has just raised the bar for what we expect from a flagship Android phone in 2026. If these early details are accurate, Google isn't just upgrading specs. It's completely reimagining how a premium smartphone should look, feel, and perform. From a redesigned notification system to next-generation AI photography, a powerful Tensor G6 chipset, and enhanced battery technology, the Pixel 11 Pro could be Google's most ambitious smartphone yet. Let's break down everything revealed. So far about the Google Pixel 11 Pro. Pixel Glow, a smarter, more elegant notification system. One of the most eye-catching leaks is something called Pixel Glow, a redesigned notification system built directly into the camera bar. Instead of traditional LED lights or intrusive pop-ups, Google is reportedly integrating a dynamic LED strip within the blacked-out rear camera module. This system isn't just for aesthetics. It's built for functionality. A soft, pulsing glow alerts you to incoming messages. A sharper flashing pattern signals phone calls, even when your phone is on silent. Customizable color loops allow different apps to trigger unique lighting effects. This approach keeps the front display distraction-free, while maintaining a clean, minimalist design. Unlike flashy RGB systems, Pixel Glow appears subtle, refined, and intelligently integrated, reinforcing Google's design philosophy of simplicity paired with smart functionality. If executed properly, Pixel Glow could become one of the most distinctive features in the premium Android smartphone market. Pixel 11 Pro camera. AI photography reaches a new level. The Google Pixel series has long dominated smartphone photography, and the Pixel 11 Pro leak suggests Google is doubling down on AI-powered imaging. Ultra-low light video is one of the standout rumored features. The Pixel 11 Pro is said to capture usable, detailed video in lighting conditions as low as 5 to 10 lux, something traditionally reserved for professional cameras. This could dramatically improve night vlogging, concert recordings, and indoor shooting without heavy grain. Then there's 100x AI-assisted zoom. While extreme zoom features exist on competing flagship phones, Google's advantage lies in computational photography. By combining advanced optical hardware with machine learning sharpening and frame reconstruction, the Pixel 11 Pro may deliver clearer long-range shots than ever before. Generative AI video editing is another major upgrade. Users could reportedly remove unwanted objects, reduce background noise, or even modify scenery using built-in AI tools, all processed directly on-device using the Tensor G6 chip. If true, this would make the Pixel 11 Pro one of the most powerful mobile content creation tools available. Tensor G6 chip, built on 2nm architecture. At the heart of the Pixel 11 Pro is the next-generation Tensor G6 processor, reportedly built on an advanced 2nm fabrication process. This leap in chip manufacturing could bring significant gains in both performance and power efficiency. The upgraded GPU is expected to support Vulkan 1.4, enabling smoother graphics rendering for high-performance gaming and demanding applications. Combined with improved thermal management, this means less throttling during extended gaming sessions or video editing. Multitasking is also expected to improve dramatically. Switching between AI-powered editing apps, 4K video rendering, and high refresh, gaming should feel seamless. Google's custom silicon approach allows deeper integration between hardware and Android 17, optimizing real-time AI processing while minimizing battery drain. Battery life and charging. Built for all day. Power battery life remains a top priority for flagship buyers, and the Pixel 11 Pro appears ready to deliver. The device is rumored to feature a 5100 mAh battery, offering extended endurance for streaming, gaming, AI editing, and productivity tasks. Magnetic G2 wireless charging is another notable addition. This system may offer faster and more stable wireless charging while improving accessory alignment, similar in convenience to magnetic ecosystems seen in other flagship devices. Combined with the efficiency of the 2nm Tensor G6 chip, the Pixel 11 Pro could significantly reduce daily charging anxiety while maintaining peak performance. Refined Pixel design, cleaner and more ergonomic. Google is reportedly refining the iconic Pixel camera bar design with a fully blacked-out finish. This not only enhances visual symmetry, but also discreetly houses the new Pixel Glow lighting system. The device is expected to feature slimmer dimensions and improved ergonomics, making it more comfortable for one-handed use. Interestingly, leaks suggest Google may remove the temperature sensor found in previous models, simplifying the rear layout and reducing visual clutter. The overall design language appears focused on minimalism, premium materials, and practical functionality, a balance Google continues to refine year after year. Sustainability and replaceable battery innovation. Perhaps one of the most forward-thinking aspects of the Pixel 11 Pro leak involves sustainability. Google has reportedly filed patents for a replaceable battery system, signaling a long-term shift toward eco-friendly smartphone design. While the Pixel 11 Pro itself may still use sealed adhesive construction for water resistance, the company's research into modular or easier-to-replace batteries suggests future Pixel devices could reduce electronic waste significantly. This aligns with Google's broader environmental initiatives and could become a key differentiator. In the premium smartphone market, AI integration. Across the entire experience, artificial intelligence is no longer just a feature. It's the foundation of the Pixel 11 Pro. Real-time scene optimization automatically adjusts camera settings based on lighting, motion, and subject detection. Generative editing tools simplify advanced image and video manipulation. On-device AI processing ensures privacy while improving speed and responsiveness. Running on Android 17, the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to receive 7 years of software and security updates, making it one of the longest supported Android flagship phones available. Connectivity and future-ready hardware. The Pixel 11 Pro is rumored to support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, delivering faster speeds and more reliable connections. Satellite connectivity may also be included for emergency communication in areas without cellular coverage. A MediaTek M90 modem is expected to power enhanced 5G performance, improving signal reliability even in crowded or low-coverage environments. These connectivity upgrades position the Pixel 11 Pro as a future-proof flagship, ready for next-generation networks. Pixel 11, series models and pricing. According to leaks, Google will launch 3 models in the Pixel 11 lineup. Pixel 11 starting at $799. Featuring a 6.3-inch OLED display, 50MP main camera, and 5,000 mAh battery. Pixel 11 Pro starting at $999, featuring a 6.4-inch LTPO OLED display, 42MP front camera, and 5,100 mAh battery. Pixel 11 Pro XL starting at $1,199. Featuring a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display, 64MP periscope zoom camera, and 5,400 mAh battery. This tiered lineup ensures options for mainstream users, photography enthusiasts, and power users alike. Google Pixel 11 Pro, release date. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to launch in August 2026, following Google's typical late summer hardware event schedule. If the leaks hold true, this release could mark one of the most significant upgrades in Pixel history. With Pixel Glow notifications, advanced AI photography tools, a 2nm Tensor G6 chipset, next-generation connectivity, and sustainability-focused innovation, the Google Pixel 11 Pro is shaping up to be a serious contender for Best Android Phone of 2026. If this is the future of Pixel, Google may be closer than ever to redefining the flagship smartphone experience.